Hello everyone! First, we're gonna make the chocolate base for the cheesecake. Toss about a cup of flour into the sieve. Then add half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and of course, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And sift it all together. This cheesecake may look like something from a pastry shop, but trust me, you can absolutely make it at home. And the moment you slice into it, you'll get why it's worth it. Next, we're adding 3/4 of a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt to balance out the flavors. Then just give it a quick stir so everything's evenly combined and set it aside. Now grab another bowl, and you'll want to crack in 1 large egg. Whisk it for a few seconds. Use the egg and all the other ingredients at room temperature. Then add half a cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Whisk it all together until it's smooth. Now, go ahead and pour all the mixture into the dry ingredients and whisk it all together right away. Keep going until all the ingredients come together into a smooth batter with no lumps. Alright, next pour in half a cup of hot coffee and give it all a good whisk. If you don't like coffee, just add hot water instead. It works just fine too. Grab an 8-inch springform pan, and you'll want to butter the bottom generously, so nothing sticks. Also, cover the bottom with a piece of parchment paper. And now carefully pour all this gorgeous batter into your pan. Perfect! Gently shake and tap the pan to spread the batter evenly. And now, time to pop it in the oven. Just like that. And let it bake for about 30 minutes. Check with a toothpick to see if it's ready. Leave the cake to cool slightly before removing it from the pan. Use a knife to go around the edges to loosen it up. Carefully open the springform pan and lift it up. Then, transfer the cake onto a cooling rack, removing the bottom and peeling off the parchment paper. Once the cake has cooled, place it onto a flat surface and trim the top to get a nice, even base for the cheesecake. But it's totally optional. While that's resting, let's make the mousse. Toss 3 bars of dark chocolate into a bowl. Pour some water into the pot, just a couple of inches. Set the bowl with the chocolate over the pot and place the pot on the stove over medium heat. Let the chocolate melt, stirring occasionally until it's smooth. Make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water so the chocolate melts properly. Take it off the heat and let it cool until warm. Now, take another bowl, and we're going to toss in 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. Mix the cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. Make sure it's at room temperature so the mousse doesn't get grainy. Then add a 1/4 cup of sugar and keep whisking until it's fully incorporated. Just a few seconds. Now we're adding the chocolate. Make sure it's warm, not hot, so it doesn't ruin the cream cheese. Add it in a thin stream, whisking well as you go, until the chocolate and cream cheese are completely blended. Okay, now take another bowl and pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Then, whip the cream on medium speed for a couple of minutes just until soft peaks form. Don't overdo it, or the mousse will turn dense and buttery. Now, you'll want to add the whipped cream to your chocolate cream cheese mixture, a little at a time. Mixing it in gently so everything stays nice and airy. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, feel free to hit like and stick around for more recipes. Great! Now, I'm taking a nice serving plate and a mousse cake ring to assemble the cake. You could also use the same springform pan you baked it in. Just use whatever you have on hand. Don't forget to add an acetate strip for those clean, smooth edges. Transfer the mousse onto the chocolate base we've placed in the pan. Don't forget, the base should be cool, otherwise the mousse won't set properly underneath. Give the pan a few gentle shakes so the mousse settles. Then, carefully place the cheesecake in the fridge to chill and firm up nicely for at least 5 hours or overnight. Lastly, set up a double boiler and break 1 bar of dark chocolate into a bowl. We're making the glaze. As usual, put the pot on the stove over medium heat and melt the chocolate, stirring it from time to time so it melts evenly and doesn't scorch. Remove it from the heat and add a 1/3 stick of butter cut into cubes. Stir the butter into the hot chocolate right away until it gets all nice and glossy. Then add 1 tablespoon of neutral vegetable oil to make the glaze even glossier. Stir the glaze until smooth and shiny. Then let it cool until warm, so it doesn't melt the mousse or make holes. Take the cheesecake out of the fridge and pour the glaze over the set mousse. It coats the top perfectly. Gently rotate the pan so the glaze spreads evenly over the surface. And shake the pan lightly. Let it chill for another 15 to 20 minutes. And now, let's finally unwrap our cheesecake. Peel off the acetate strip to reveal those clean, smooth sides. At last, it's time to slice into this beauty. I'm not gonna lie, this piece is calling my name. Just follow the tips I shared, and this cheesecake is all yours to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.